Okay, I'm just showing you my fireworks. That's all this video is. Okay. Don't have much this year. That says Bomber 10 shot. I've got 4 of them. 2 big punks. $1,000 firecrackers. $144 Moon Traveler bottle rockets. These were $1 for 144. This was $6. These, all 4, $2. This, the rocket, that's $2.40. It's expensive, but it's just pretty good. It's like a little miniature aerial show. This, like a big ass stick of dynamite. There's $1.50. Let's see. Yeah, explosive. I don't know what they do. I forgot. These Saturn missiles. 75 cents. Pretty good price. That's what I got. I had 2 of them. Double parachute. Double night parachute. 25 cents. Flashers. 50 cents. For like 7 or so. 6. And smoke bombs. Balls. $1. And of course my best. That. Small festival balls. Aerial shells. 6 of them. $6. Oh, that's it. 3 minutes straight. Bye bye.